Let's barbecue with the CO crew. S'mores.
Hi, I'm Mimi.
And I'm Loz, and we're
The
CO
CO
crew, spreading the word about carbon monoxide.
We love getting outside now it's summer, especially for a barbecue. And we've got another great recipe idea for you. It's really quick and easy.
And most importantly, seriously delicious. So, get ready for s'mores. These are a tasty treat from America that's melted chocolate and marshmallow in between two biscuits. They're called s'mores because everybody wants more. Do you get it?
I get it. And they're not just tasty, they're super simple. To make 4 s'mores, you're gonna need 8 rich tea biscuits, 8 chunks of chocolate, and 4 marshmallows.
And a roll of tin foil.
Rip the tin foil into 20cm squares and place a biscuit in the middle of each square. Then put 2 chunks of chocolate and 1 marshmallow on top of each biscuit, and then finish the sandwich with another biscuit.
Chocolate and marshmallow. That's my kind of sandwich.
Wrap each tightly in the foil, making sure there aren't any gaps. And then they're ready for cooking. Simples. Your s'mores will take about 10 minutes to bake. Remember to get an adult to help you with the cooking.
That's correct. Barbecues and burns don't mix.
And then you can unwrap and have a lovely gooey chocolatey treat.
And that's another great recipe for your barbecue from the CO crew. Now remember to always use your barbecue out in an open space and never inside anywhere.
As well as making sure that your house doesn't smell of smoke, barbecues produce a gas called carbon monoxide. You can't see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, or touch it, but it can make you feel ill or worse.
That's why it's important to follow these rules to stay safe.
Give the barbecue lots of space in the open air. Never take them indoors or inside a tent or even a gazebo.
Make sure gas barbecues are working correctly and are properly assembled.
It's not difficult to stay safe, and it's worth taking the time to make sure nothing spoils the perfect barbecue. Well, almost nothing.
Let's barbecue with the CO crew. Look online for barbecue recipe cards and how you can send the CO crew your favourite recipe. You may even win a prize. Find out more at funkidslive.com/CO crew.